Have you ever fantasized about exploring the ancient ruins of Rome? Picture yourself standing in the very places where history unfolded. However, before you embark on this journey, there are vital tips to consider. Traveling to Rome is exhilarating, yet it can also feel daunting. With countless sights and experiences, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But there's no need for concern. Let's dive into travel tips that will transform your trip into something truly memorable. First, make sure to book your tickets in advance. Many popular attractions attract long queues. Avoid the stress by purchasing your tickets online. This suggestion is particularly useful for iconic sites like the Colosseum and Vatican. Next, embrace the local public transport system. Rome boasts a fantastic metro network. Take advantage of buses and trams to reach various attractions. It's economical and gives you a genuine feel of the city. Carefully plan your itinerary. Concentrate on a single neighborhood each day. This method reduces travel time and allows for a deeper exploration. Don't forget to wear comfortable shoes. You'll encounter plenty of cobblestone streets. A sturdy pair of walking shoes will keep your feet happy. Think about visiting popular attractions early in the morning or later in the evening. For instance, the Vatican Museum tends to be less crowded during the early hours. Steering clear of peak times will lead to a more enjoyable experience. Be sure to indulge in local cuisine. Rome is famous for its pasta and pizza. Eating at local trattorias is essential. It's often more authentic and economical. Keep hydrated, especially during the summertime. Bring a reusable water bottle. You can easily refill it at public fountains scattered around the city. Navigating through Rome can be tricky. Utilize a map or a travel app. Preparing a plan enables you to see more while minimizing wasted time. In summary, remember to book tickets in advance, use public transport, organize your days, wear comfortable footwear, visit sites during off-peak hours, enjoy local food, stay hydrated, and depend on maps. These tips will significantly enhance your Roman adventure. Have a fantastic trip filled with history, culture, and delightful cuisine. Eager to experience Rome like a local? Begin planning your adventure today.